Turn it up some. I've been feeling a little bit sad lately. I went down to that regular Walmart and I said, shit. I realized something. That woman definitely overcharged me. And I said, now hang on a minute, lady. You cut me deep. And I was like, baby, you know that you just double charged me at Walmart for Coca-Cola. And I know now that I should have gone through the self-checkout line, but I'm a true blue American. I'm trying to let some people in and hoping they can do their job. You're getting paid, why should they be the one that goes and rings it all up? I don't wanna be that guy right now. I just want you to take some account for the fact that you just take and accidentally rang my stuff up twice and charged me twice a lie. I just don't wanna drink one soda and pay for two. That's not what I wanna do. It's not what I wanna do. It's not what I wanna do. It's not what I want to do. Not what I wanna do. No. Lady, you know that you definitely charged me twice. And I will rap about that, but I'll rap it in a country voice. This is every country rap right now.
When I look at my truck, I'm thinking, man, that thing is a beautiful piece of artwork. I know it's made by Ford and that stuff is gonna last. It's gonna last me for my lifetime. I'm gonna hand it down to my baby. I remember when I accidentally conceived my baby in the back of that baby. Oh, I know it's looking really fly now. And I know that I could've got myself 2 cup holders, but I've only got 1 Coke. I've only got 1 Coke in that baby now. I am gonna take it down. I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna put another Coke up in that baby now. I gave you a song and you know you got me rang up twice for the Coke. In the one line, only in line. I went and waited and I waited forever. I should have gone out and found my way. I should have found my way. I should have found my way. The only single pay. And then instead I went through the line and it was not that fine. And I got the double charge for that damn Coke. And now I'm sitting here paying twice.
I paid twice for that Coke again. 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 God flag and country, yeah. Yippee-ki-yay. Thank you.